Replacing an Irrigreen sprinkler head is simple. All you'll need is your replacement sprinkler, a shovel, gloves, a tarp, and your phone. Start by shutting off the water at the main line. Then, with your shovel, slowly dig a circle roughly 18 inches in diameter around the head. Go slow to make sure you don't sever any cables or water lines. Roll back the grass for easy reassembly and pile the dirt on your tarp. Using your screwdriver, separate the cable lock clamps on the sprinkler connection and then remove the head from the flex pipe. Install the new head and then connect the cables. Before burying, let's navigate to the app first. Go to the Zones tab and tap the plus button at the top to replace the sprinkler. Or, select the head you wish to replace, tap the gear icon, and select Replace Sprinkler. The system will scan for the new head. If your new head is found, tap to add it to the system and begin burying the head. The last thing to do is calibrate your new sprinkler and you're ready to map. Thanks, and happy watering!